What's up, lovelies? So we are back at it. Yesterday I couldn't make a video because I worked day and night the day before and then I took some rest. But here we are again. Right now we are in Sharafia and in our work break we are going for lunch. We haven't decided where we are gonna go. Rashid, you have a recommendation?
Ummul Hammam, so many restaurants.
Oh yeah, so Rashid is right. There's a lot of places in Ummul Hammam. Yeah. Sama, how's the video?
Good.
Yeah. You can even sit back and just
Comfortable.
be comfortable over there and also show people this scene and also on the sides as well.
Okay.
Yeah. From here, Rashid, you can see that Kingdom Tower, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Today it's more visible, which means less pollution.
Still, I am not go.
You didn't went to Kingdom Tower. How long have you been here in Riyadh? More than 1 year.
1.7 years.
1.7.
Yes.
Wow. Osama, you have been to Kingdom Tower?
I didn't see inside, but around area is.
I went inside
Many
the
times.
Kingdom Tower, but I didn't go to the Sky Bridge.
Ah. So you try to go to Sky Bridge?
No.
Why?
I didn't try yet. Because I didn't have much time when I went there. Rashid, let's talk about something today. We'll hear out your opinion. We'll also listen to Sama's opinion. So the topic of today's talk will be, why do we compare ourselves to others? Osama?
Oh, this is not the topic.
Oh, why?
Topic is there the next Friday. Inshallah, I will learn the driving.
Oh, yeah. So
Nice. Great.
yeah, this is a good topic. Yeah. So next Friday, Rashid is going to
Inshallah,
learn how to drive.
You both.
Yeah,
You
With
both
us.
help me.
yeah, Rashid.
Sama. BMW.
Yeah. So this place, it's still Sharafia, right? Or we are in Ummul Hammam?
Maybe.
I think it's Sharafia.
Yes.
Check
not
out this.
Ummul Hammam.
Maybe they have written over here.
No.
Oh, what is this?
Close.
No, not close.
Speed breaker.
It's a speed breaker.
For protection cable.
What kind of speed breaker is this? Okay.
They are not using the bolt. That's why.
Okay, that's why it got.
And inside have a cable, electrical cable.
Oh
for
yeah,
protection.
Osama. See, that's the benefit of having someone who knows about stuff along with us.
But so many breakers like this, they have a place
Yeah.
to easily go electrical cable.
Hmm.
Yeah.
We previous project we used this breaker.
Okay.
Have very good quality.
See, there's a car coming from up ahead. I saw this from there. Rashid, you like going to Ummul Hammam? This is the King Khalid Road, by the way. I also have to tell the viewers what this is. So you are gonna learn how to drive.
Driving like this
And,
U-turn is still
yeah.
I don't know how it will be. U-turn.
Another thing, which car are you gonna buy?
Inshallah, first I get the license, then I will be thinking.
Oh, so you have something in mind that you would like to have this car?
Oh,
Which one?
Hyundai.
Hyundai? Which model?
Hyundai. Let's see in the first showroom, then I will be deciding.
So you'll.
Within the limit of my budget.
Okay. So you would want to go with Hyundai.
Hyundai will maybe.
Yeah. So now we are turning right on to Sharai Ummul Hammam. Why don't you buy this Shanjan? Take this from me. Take this from me. I'll buy.
No, I am a new driver, then this handle is difficult.
Oh, yeah. This handle actually is Sama difficult.
But maybe have option other handles.
Yeah.
Other cars. Maybe.
Rashid, it's not about which handle you use. It's about handling the car.
Okay, no problem.
yeah.
Someone not book the car. We will try our.
Oh wow. Yeah, No, after the license. This is applicable after the license. For the license, you will get a different car.
Sama, check the restaurant.
Pakistani restaurant or
Not the Pakistani. only
Sama,
Arabic-
check
Arabic restaurant
check
is
some
also good.
restaurant over here.
Okay. I check in left
Yeah.
side and Mr. Rashid you check.
On the left, there's not much, but you can see. Right on the right, I know there's a few restaurants. Rashid, do you remember one restaurant with a very good sitting?
Hmm.
And I think it's that one up ahead. Why don't we go there?
Which?
It's up ahead there. I think in the corner, something like that. See this one. What do you say? Ishraq, Mandi House.
Mandi House. Okay, go.
Yeah, let's go over there, Osama.
Okay.
So we'll turn from here once this traffic light opens. Sama, how's the video quality?
If
Good.
you go from this service road,
Yeah, we could have gone there directly. Yeah, I know. But even then, we couldn't cross it like this. We'll have to.
follow the signal
No, not the signal.
for this road.
No, if someone has to go right, they can turn.
Oh.
But there's traffic coming from this side. How will they cross straight?
So after open the signal.
Yeah. No. It's for just taking right, not going forward. If you have to go forward, you go from here. That's a Land Rover Defender.
Maybe the Mandi House, if the prayer time
Yeah, it might be closed.
might.
But we'll see. We shall see. So here we go. Mandi House. Rashid, this seems closed by the way. Otherwise there would be a rush outside. Check with them, Rashid. And there's no rush.
So check.
Sama, please check. There's nothing over here.
Mulama.
There's nothing over here, by the way. What do
It's
we do
closed?
now? I think it's might not be closed. Okay, let's go and see. Okay, and we'll park our car over here. What's this guy doing?
Backside.
Oh, there's something on backside.
Yes.
What's there?
Ah,
Is there sitting or what?
not sitting. Outside. This is the
There's nothing over here.
service.
Yeah. Let's go back. Let's park our car, and then let's go to the Mandi House. Let's go inside.
You go to forward, take right, then right.
No, then this is actually
Has space, maybe it's last car.
Sama. There's no space. Mafi space. Why will we go there? We'll just stay here. Actually, we'll go back. Okay.
The third.
What are we even doing? Let's park over here, Osama. Or can we park here? But I don't think there will be much shade either on that side as well. Okay, Osama, yalla, let's go. So the restaurant is closed right now during the Zohar break. What?
Oh, jump hai.
No. Are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's nothing.
Nothing. Very happy. Jump.
But
very
people, cars are
but
going
very
from there.
small.
Yeah, I think
Not
the cars
affect
are
your
going
car.
from there. Yeah. You want us to go from here, Rashid? Yeah, Osama,
Big jump.
he was right.
But not very big.
Yeah, but not
It's-
big.
yes, yes, very
but,
small.
It's along the road. But okay, Rashid, you are right. Osama, he is right.
Yes, he's right.
He's right.
He's right. Because it's not good way.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be
Yes.
to go down from there. Now look out for other restaurants. Oh, Rashid,
Slow.
slow will have to be slow because your door is not completely closed.
Oh.
Again, do it again. I was saying, where was the road noise coming from? Oof. Now we'll have to go from here eventually.
Kodu.
Good. By the way, there are restaurants over here.
There have one
Yeah.
is red Mutam
Mutam,
Kamama.
Kama, Alars, Sama,
Kamatulars.
Kamatulars.
You take left.
We'll take left and there's. We'll go in the end.
Go
We'll
to
make
forward.
a U-turn.
Yes,
Yeah.
maybe.
So Rashid, are you excited to
Buy the new car or license?
or get it? Which one are you more excited for?
Maybe license.
No.
Because car is easy.
See, you should get this red Cadillac one day.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Yeah. Cadillac Escalade. Oh, finally. Finally, Usama, finally. So, who will you learn the car from, Usama or me?
Both. Yes.
Do different driving styles.
Huh?
You'll get to.
Driving style is more myself.
Ah.
Like a Ferrari.
Oh. Sama, we are gonna take off from here. By the way, there are restaurants here. We'll not go to the one we went last time, okay? It's good. Yeah. Oh, there's a flower shop, but we'll go to the end. We'll take a U-turn, and at the U-turn, there's one restaurant. We'll see that one.
Daniel Philippine live in this.
Yeah.
street, in this street.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. But yeah. There's the restaurant where we went last time. We don't want to go there. Mutam Shoya al Ruba al Bukhari. We'll take the U-turn up ahead. There's a Islamabad restaurant. No, we'll not go there. Mutam al Manal. What's this one?
It's real estate.
There's one on the other side. There's one on the other side. Traditional food restaurant. No. Osama, you want to go there?
Where?
Oh, traditional food restaurant. There's
And
one.
What type of
Durat al
food?
Khama.
What
This
type
one,
of
Osama?
food? Only rice or?
Yeah, only rice or what? Maybe Pakistani food. This traditional food restaurant. Should we go there or?
Okay.
We have this one over here. This one seems Arabic. Durat al Khama restaurant. What do you say, Rashid? Jaldi.
Jaldi. Baat. Shawarma.
Okay, Osama, end the video.
Port रखने को गद्दी को
Mustratala is back on the work, at the work.
Yeah, we are waiting for our food. Actually, we came to a Bukhari restaurant. So, if you want to see what we ordered, you have to watch the full vlog, which will be on the other channel, Raw Logs by Talha. So, we'll see you over there. But right now, I'm gonna end the video and club it all together, the separate videos we made, and I'll post it on Street View. Thank you so
Here
much.
our food.
Yeah.